Okay, so let's see. The question here says, hi, is there any way we can change the pickup time? The fastest pickup time is 20 minutes from the order. Are we able to change it? Oh, okay. Yeah. Yes, of course you can change that. So yes, you can change that. What would you like? What would you like me to change it to? Okay, so let's go ahead and work on this question here. They basically what they're saying is that when a customer orders online, they need more than 20 minutes to prepare the food because by default it's 20 minutes. So customer, if it's 1 p.m., the customer can select 1:20 as the earliest pickup time. And this customer is saying that they need a little bit more time than 20 minutes. Perhaps their food is more complex. Maybe they need more time to cook it. So we're going to go ahead and work on this ticket here, or this customer, and make sure to help change that, to help this customer out. So we're just waiting for her response, waiting for his or her response to see what they have to say. Okay, it looks like they're still typing. So while they're typing, I'm going to go ahead and pause the video real quick, and I'll come right back to it. Okay, the customer responded, and he said that, is there a way we can learn how to change a busy time? I could put longer or slow. Okay, yes, I can show you how to do that. Would you like me to change it to 30 minutes? Okay, so while I wait for her response, I'm going to show you where it's at so you can see how to do that. Okay, so let's go ahead and take a look. I'm going to log into the back end here. That way you can see how to change that. It's pretty easy. Okay, we are in the back end. To change it, it's right here. Press Clover Orders, Settings. And once you press Settings, you will see Store Settings. Press Store Settings. Right here, Store Settings. And you'll see right here it says 20 minutes. See right here, 20 minutes. So let me see what the messages say now. Oops, sorry, wrong button here. Just leave it the way for it is. Okay, just send me the instructions. Okay, so here are the instructions. You click on Clover Orders, Store Settings, and 20 minutes. So this way you can do this yourself. Okay. Yeah. So again, click on Clover Orders, Store Settings, and Pickup Orders. Pickup time, you can change it 30 minutes, 40 minutes. Once you change it, go here and press Save Changes. Okay. And that's how you do that. And that's how you change the minimum pickup time. If you want to deliver, you can do that also. All right. Thank you so much.